so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah.
So yun guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa 100 Island and mag island hopping kami doon. Ay, pupunta kami ngayon sa Bulinaw. Ngayon is February 27 for 20 a.m. Nakaready na lahat ng gamit namin and nakapag-ayos na dito. Magbabantay muna dito sila Kuya Ber habang wala kami para magbantay kala Balmond at Bukon. Ayan ang kanyang bag. So, uwi muna kami sa Quezon City. Iwan namin sa sakyan doon. Tapos, magbiyahe kami papuntang Monument. So, hanggang dito muna guys. Nakita na ulit. Bye.
More than press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go, gonna go, gonna go there. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going
Ano na? Ano nang binili mo? So, bili muna tayo nito. Inom muna tayo nito. Eh, wala pa akong tulog. Malayo pa biyahe. Cheers. Babe, cheers.
Yes, saka sa akin.
Layo-layo pang biyahe. Yun. Biyahe na ulit tayo. Nandito na kami sa Quezon City. Ito yung gamit namin. Ayan, si Daddy. Meron pang catheter. Tatanggalin daw. Book lang kami ng GSM. Tapos, punta na sa Fifth Avenue. Ayan, mga gamit. Halin. Oo, malapit na siya. Nandiyan na lang yan sa kanto. Ayan, yung sasakyan niya. Yung bahay ng bunso. Yung mansion. Tapos yung mga puti, kanyang sasakyan yan, mga puti. So, merong Starex, Ford Ranger, saka itong Lexus. Ito naman sa pangalawa, ay sa pangalawang bunso. Okay. Yun guys, nandito na kami sa Fifth Avenue. Rizal Avenue, Fifth Ave. Inantay na lang namin yung kasama namin si Sis Bel. Yan yung mga gamit namin. Ang dami. Maganda kong asawa. So, antay muna namin dito. Ayan na. Si Sis Bel. Ayan na. Ito daw sasakyan namin. Papuntang Pangasinan, 100 Islands. O kuya, kaway ka muna kuya. Kami lang ang tao ngayon dito. Ayan, hanggang Pangasinan. Babe.
We've been waiting for so
Ang sarap paging pasahero.
we ain't getting any older.
Nagkwentuhan ka na lang namin.
Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high.
Kain muna kami eh. Babe. Kuya. sulit na kagad yung binayad ah. Excited?
In 400 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Punta Riviera.
Hindi na sila naglagay ito, lapit ito.
Kaya aga eh. Kalokohan din nila eh. Ano ba? Meron akong reservation. Ralph. Bali, dalawang room yun.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going up, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high,
White Sand Beach.
going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going
Thank you, ma'am. Yung 17, yung 17 sa kanila eh. Ito yung 17. Sa atin yung mas mura. Ano magalit yun? Oo, saan kami kuya dadaan? Dito kami.
Ay, layo kasi.
Oo, ganun talaga.
Kala ko makatabing kwarto. Kaya ako kala ko ay pala, may daan pala.
Si Spell, kuya. Kaway-kaway muna. Babe. So, yung
Wow, ang ganda. Ang laki.
so, ayan.
Oh, ang ganda.
Ang laki ah.
Kakawin ko ng babae dito. Pero ito, oh. Wow! Ito galing sa pamay ko. Ano meron? Ayan o, may paano pa o. Swan. Oh, kanin ko na.
Aircon din.
Tingnan mo, pakanin ko na.
Tara na, punta muna tayo doon si kuya.
Natin. Ngayon, makikita yung room natin.
Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out,
Okay.
all the way. Going high.
Ganun talaga pag magkaiba presyo. Wala na, bayad na eh.
Kaya ka dapat malapit.
Ano po?
Meron ka dyan.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. Kinda feel a little younger.
Ha?
Ayun o.
Run away and embrace the day.
Oh, di.
Touch the sky, feeling bolder.
So, ito yung room. Ayan. So, yung CR hot and cold shower. Meron na shampoo, saka body. Malinis naman.
Ay, may pasabon din. Ang galing.
Yan siya.
Ang ganda.
So, may ref. Kumbaga na ba yung ref? Sasaksak pa. Malawag lang. Yan. Papahinga muna kami, pero bago kami magpahinga pala, check muna namin itong labas. Wow, ang ganda dito. O, diba? Oo. White sand din. O, diba? Ganda. Pero mamaya-maya na tayo pupunta yan.
Wala, mas maganda rito, babe. Mas maganda wala kang mura.
Ayun.
Mare-recommend ko guys yung amin kasi mas malapit. Mas malapit sa mas malapit sa ano.
Oh, daw. Enjoy the view. Ganda. Hey, balik ka rito. Yan.
Habang tatingin doon.
Oh, ayan o. Gusto ko na muna humiga, babe. Higa muna. Yun, what's up guys? Kakatapos lang namin Goodlep. Ngayon, itong Riviera. So, samahan niyo ako. So, okay, libutin muna natin. Ganda dito guys. Merong mga cottage. Ayan, meron dito walang pang tawag dyan. And pool, infinity pool. So merong ano dito. Malalim. Ilang feet pa to? Ilang feet to ito?
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going
Ang mga
all the
puno.
way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, higher. Going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high.
So, tignan natin dito guys kung ano meron dito. Sarap tumambay dito. Yes.
We've been waiting for so long.
Yeah.
We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. Kinda feel a little
That's the view. Oh, ito, lakad tayo dito. Kahit sa ang garden. Garden. Puro foreign only. Valentine's design ko sila dito. Uy, sobrang ganda dito. Promise. Sobrang ganda ng pool, may infinity pool. Sobrang puti ng buhangin, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Panalo dito. Tapos kami lang yung tao, sila alien sila. So yan, sobrang ganda talaga ng view. Worth it pumunta rito. Guys. Solid. So, saan ko pumunta? Ito, meron daw live band dito. Mamaya. Dito may live band daw mamaya. Libre lang daw yung entrance fee. So mamaya alas 6 yun dyan. Then dito pwede kumain. And then ito yung papunta sa may parking. Sabing ganda. So ito na yung parking area. So guys, kinonfirm ko, hindi pala alas 6, it's 7:30. Live band dito. Okay. So, ayan yung makikita yung view. Picturean nga natin. Diba? Wow. Okay. Wow. So, libot ulit tayo. Ito meron dito. Yan, so yan yung mga kwarto. Di ko lang kung magkano yung rate dyan. Pag malaki na. Ayan guys. Damn. Picture natin dito. So dito, meron lookout tower, mangrove walkway, spread karaoke, hang bridge, slides off the cliff, Riviera cabin, soccer, volleyball. So, puntahan ba natin yan? Dito boy. Picture din natin yan. Siyempre boy. Yan. Double video tayo. Panalo talaga dito. Muna guys, mamaya ulit. Tawagin ko lang yung asawa ko. Ayun. So you have business here in the Philippines?
Yeah, running this resort.
What again?
Running this resort.
This resort. This is your resort?
Yeah.
You are the owner of this resort? Okay. This is my first time here.
My birthday.
Thank you so much. So I'm glad that I found the owner of this resort, and it's very beautiful.
Hi, how are you doing? All right.
Guys,
Yeah, welcome. Oh, we're happy.
siya pala yung owner sir. I think I will go to my wife and come back here.
We have music on for you tonight at 8 o'clock. There's a couple of singers.
Okay. Thank you sir, thank you. Thank you sir, bye-bye. Okay, siya pala yung owner nito. So, napakatulog tayo sa English. Englishan tayo dun. So, ayun muna. Ito muna yung maganda kong asawa. So, yun guys, nandito pala. Magulat siya dito sa sasabihin ko. Kasi hindi niya pa alam ko eh. So, ito na yung maganda kong asawa. Babe, come here. Come here.
lasing na yan. Lasing pa yan.
Yes.
Lasing ka daw.
Hi, sir. I want you to meet my wife.
Hi.
This is Jasmine, and this is my friend. And he is the owner of this resort.
Oh, wow. Hindi ka talaga.
Ano yan?
Kasi siya rin sa kanya. Kasi siya.
Ay, oo nga, ano. So yun guys, maglilibot muna kami dalawa. Hindi namin kung ano meron din sa Punta Riviera. Nakakabili yung dalawa. Mamaya ano yung makakasama na.
Ito ba yung tirahan mo?
Hindi na muna. Ikot-ikot muna tayo.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going
So yan, ulit. Kung hey Fat Choy, mamaya picture-picture kami dyan. Kung hey Fat Choy na yan. And here's the view again. We're glad na konti lang yung tao. And we're so glad that we came here na ayos lahat. River kayaking, 2 ropes, of course. Oo. Pambata, kid pool. Oo. So, libot ulit.
Para bakasyonista.
Muna sila. Magbubalik. Yes. Oh, picnic pa dito. Meron silang picnic. Ginagawa. Galing. May bayad kaya.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
Yung
Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high,
sige.
going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high. We've been waiting for so
Guys, muna kami doon.
kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, yeah, yeah, high, yeah, yeah. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going high. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set you a little higher. We're gonna go, gonna go, gonna go there.
Ano kami ng tao? Oh. Yung mga alien na yan. So kami na talaga tao rito. Hello. Di nyo man lang kinausap dun yung foreigner.
Come here! Join us! Don't be, mas mababaw dito kaysa doon. Mababaw lang siya.
Ah?
Hindi masyadong maalam. Hindi masyadong maalam.
Bukas punta kami sa 100 Islands.
Yeah.
Doon kami magwawaldas. Isang araw.
Araw.
Nagmamanis.
Sa
Beep, beep, beep. Kain muna kami.
Ayan.
Yan.
Hi.
Say hi. Yan. Masyadong mahal doon sa loob. Maghahanap kami ng mura. Kainan sa labas.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. Kinda feeling a
Yun.
little younger.
Mangunguna seafood bar in Rio. Kami titignan namin kung mura ba. Etong Mangunguna Seafood Bar and Grill.
Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder.
Ito, kain na. Ito lang po ang ulam namin, mga puso. Laga. So, ngayon, gabi na. Meron sila dito pa live band. Ito na po ang live band. Ha?
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger.
to listen to that memory.